In this video, we're looking at solving some disguised quadratic equations. Let's start with this first one. Notice that it is not of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So it doesn't look like a quadratic. However, we can turn it into something that looks a lot more like this in just one step. What I'm going to do is multiply the left and the right hand sides by x. So if I have x lots of the left hand side and x lots of the right hand side, what do I get? Well, on the left I'm going to get x lots of x, which is x squared, plus x lots of 9, which is 9x, plus x lots of 20 over x. This would give me 20x over x, but that just simplifies to 20. On the right hand side, I'm going to have 0 multiplied by x, which is just 0. Now this looks like a quadratic we are familiar with. We can solve this particular one by factorizing. I get x plus 4x plus 5 equals 0. And that gives us solutions x equals -4, x equals -5. Here's the second one. For this one, I recommend you multiply both sides of this equation by x squared. Pause the video and have a go at this for yourself. Okay, multiplying out the left-hand side of the equation, we get x squared times 1, which is x squared. Then we have to add x squared times 4 over x. That gives us 4x squared over x. And then we have to subtract x squared times 21 over x squared, which gives us 21x squared over x squared. And that equals 0 times x squared on the right hand side. 0 times x squared is just 0. Now, the left hand side here simplifies quite a lot. We've got x squared plus 4x squared over x, which simplifies to 4x, minus 21x squared over x squared, which just simplifies to 21 there. And that equals 0. Now, this looks like a quadratic equation that we are used to. We can factorize the left hand side here. That gives us x plus 7, x minus 3, and that equals 0. Therefore, our solutions are x equals -7, x equals 3. Let's have a look at this next one. We've got an x in the denominator here, so maybe we should multiply through by x in order to eliminate this denominator. If we do that, we get x squared plus 32x over x on the left hand side and 12 multiplied by x on the right, which is just 12x. Now 32x over x simplifies to just 32. Now before trying to solve by factorizing, I need to collect all of the terms on one side and have 0 on the other side. So I'm going to subtract 12x from the right and from the left. That will give me x squared minus 12x plus 32 equals 0. And this is something I can factorize. I get x minus 8, x minus 4 equals 0. That means our solutions are x equals 8, x equals 4. Here's the last question. Have a go at that one for yourself. Here are the solutions. We see x equals -3 over 2 and x equals 5.